Hello and welcome to the sixth MATLAB tutorial. This tutorial will cover plotting in MATLAB. Plotting in MATLAB is done by plotting data points. That is, MATLAB needs to know the x and y values it's going to plot. MATLAB does not plot functions, so if you were to just type in y equals x squared, like you would on a graphing calculator, MATLAB would not recognize the function and thus not plot anything. We need to define x and y data in order for MATLAB to plot. As an example, we will plot a velocity versus time curve. First, we will make a matrix representing time. We will call this matrix T and start at 0, increase by 1, all the way up to 10. Next, we will make a matrix representing velocity. We will call this matrix V. Start at 0, increase by 5, up to 50. We can plot the velocity versus time curve in two ways. One way is to plot the data via the workspace, and the other way is to plot using the command window. To plot using the workspace, select T and V. You can select both by holding the Control key and clicking T and V. Click this arrow to display all available plot options. In our case, we will select Plot TV. When plotting, you want the matrix that is to be on the x-axis to be shown first in the ordered pair, and the matrix to be shown on the y-axis to be shown second in the ordered pair. If this is not the case, click this reverse input variable order button. In our case, we want T to be on the x-axis and V to be on the y-axis. So currently we have the order correct, and we can go ahead and plot our data. There we go. So if we plot, we obtain this figure. We should label the axis and add a title. To do this, we go to the Insert on the menu here, and we will click X label to add a label on the x-axis. So this is time with the units S for seconds. And then next we will click Y label to add the label on the y-axis. We will label this velocity with the units meters per second. Next we will add a title to this plot, which is right here. We will give the title of this plot velocity versus time. Alright. So we can also edit the properties of the plot shown. To do this, we go to View and select Property Editor. Then we click on the line. So we see that we can change the style, the thickness, and the color of the line shown. So we will make the line dotted and red. You can also change the plot type from line to bar to area to stairs to stem, but we will keep it at line for our example. We can also add markers to our plot. You see that there are different marker styles. We can change the color of the outline and fill the markers. We will add black squares to the plot. there.